Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to put multiple pictures on Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to put multiple pictures on Instagram story, first open up your Instagram app, and from over here we'll be required to create a story in order to put multiple pictures on it. To do that, let's tap on the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen. You can see the plus button at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it, and from over here let's go to the story section, and from over here guys you can see the layout button at the left side of the screen, or there is a drop down arrow. Tap on it and these options will appear, and let's tap on the layout button over here guys, and you can see our layouts are available for us. If you tap on the layout over here, you can see tap on the drop down arrow or tap on the layout, and when we tap on the layout section of or the layout chosen guys, there are a lot of styles from which we can put multiple pictures on Instagram story. Over here you can see you can choose anyone, so let's go with the simple 2 and let's click to some of photos, and you can see guys the photo has been clicked, and you can rearrange them the way you like. You can see, and after that you will be able to tap on the save at the bottom of the screen. Let's go back. We can also choose another layout. Let's discard this, and another we can see those layouts are other layouts. Tap on it and you can see the layouts available, and from over here you can also choose to upload it from a gallery if you like, and if you don't want to shoot it, tap on the plus button at the bottom left corner of the screen and you will be able to choose your photos over here. Let's go with a demo photo, and for that one also, and you can see guys these 2 photos you can rearrange them the way you like. If you drag and drop them, they will be rearranged. And this is, let's tap on the tick mark again at the bottom of the screen, and there guys multiple pictures are added on the Instagram story, and the moment you post this story or share this story on your Instagram, then your Instagram story will have multiple picture on it. And there guys, this is how to put multiple pictures on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.